You have to take your slide stop pin, and if you put it in like so, you can miss the part on the top of the barrel lug that this part is supposed to go into. You can bring your slide back all the way and drop your slide stop pin in, and it'll go down. Trying to do it so that you can see. See how it dropped and it went in? But look, this is still out. So in order to prevent that from coming out, you want to bring it back. Let me just start it over, take it out. You want to push your barrel down, right? Make sure that your barrel is cleared right here. And you can actually add a little pressure to it. A lot of people have actually have this problem. So apply a little bit of pressure to it, and then you can take your slide stop pin. Now that I'm holding the barrel down, drop this pin in here once this slide disassembly notch is lined with the circle. Just put it in like that. And then keep bringing it back. And it's a little tough for me, but once everything is lined up, it should drop right in. And once it goes in, now your firearm is back reassembled.